Welcome back to Double G Digs. It's going to be a great morning, overcast. And I found me another church. This is an old community. Wish me luck. And as always, I'll see you on that first dig. Church, it has this grass parking lot. I'm going to be working around this tree and right here in the back. So the church right down the road last week, if you saw that video, I found 2 rings and an earring. That's the first signal we get. Right up next to that root. Oh, I love digging roots. There we go. That's what we got. And it's ringing up as a 29. Well, we're getting a nice 29 right here. It could be a quarter. Just hoping there's not roots all through this thing. Right here, I just moved it, and yeah, look at there, it's a quarter. Been down there a while. Look how tainted the color is on that thing. Let's see. That's an old brass ring. I found one of these the other day. Not sure what they were used for back in the day, but it's brass. Good solid target. Looks like I got it out of the hole. It's in the plug. 23. You know the old saying your parents would tell you, do as I say, not as I do? Well, that goes for this. See, I metal detect without the headphones, and that's just so you can hear the signal, but you should always have your headphones on. You can hear those deep, deep targets, but I do it this way for you guys. Let's see what we got here. Looks like it's right here. What is that? Don't you know, I'll drop it. Looks like a butt. A washer? I don't know. Maybe an old washer. Huh. I just found this. It's old. Really can't tell you what it is. Maybe, old plumbing. Obviously, you see the threads there at the top, but that's a big chunk to dig up there. Thought I had something good. I'll take it. I mean, it's different. We'll see. Maybe I'm in a good spot. I'm just going to work up by this tree line here. Getting a high tone here. Could be a can, maybe up on the top. It's not that deep, so chances are it's just something buried right on the surface. Hitting something. That high tone, it's a pipe or something big, which just moved a little bit, so it's not real deep. Oh, that's a, what is that? That's an old water hose. Looks like I nicked it right there, dang gummit. Huh, it's not that old, but I mean, it's probably got some age to it. Maybe the 60s, 50s. That's cool. That's a nice little relic. Put in the pouch. Not that deep, so we should have it right here, a couple inches down. There it is right there. You can see something metallic. See? The can, the dreaded can, a couple inches down. It sounds great every time. Dang, that looks interesting. Just popped it out. What is that? Is that part of it? Golly, that almost looks like oh, it's a beetle. I was thinking it was a stone. What the heck is this? Maybe an old, like a hubcap or a piece of a hubcap. I don't know. You can see where it was split. Interesting. Okay. You know, it's either 5 or 6 months I've had this Excalibur shovel. And I gotta tell you, I did a review on it, but even now, 5 or 6 months later, this is a great shovel, guys. It just keeps it sharp, easy to go in. Sometimes I don't even have to push it in. I just give it a twist. Great shovel. And I love it, man. Hanging in there. I'll put the link up or a description up there for you guys to see if you want to get one. Excalibur shovel. I like a lot of times too, I can just stick it in and turn this, and because of the serrated edges, I mean, it cuts it just like butter. You know, I think it's an old a vintage hair clip. Yeah, there's the spring right there. And back in the day, they made these things thick and tough. Yeah, that's what that is. That's a cool find. Sweet, just got a surface find. 3 pennies laying together. Look at the patina. Pretty cool. Well, I think my look is changing, guys. I just found 3 pennies. I moved to the other side. There we go. It's a lid or jar, milk cap or something. It's moving. Come on. Won't be a butt. Oh, look at that. It's an old makeup jar. That wasn't for me now. That hole was there a while. Rest cream. There's a name on it. Ah. Okay, I'm getting close. Look at that jar, white. It's got some little fancy design on it. That's cool. God, it's a deep dime. Look. I mean, the full length of that blade had to go through a root, and sitting down there just as pretty as could be. Oh, I'd love to know the date on that thing. Sitting down there nice and deep. Another penny. Another penny, nothing old. Boy, I had some tough digging right there behind me. Soil's hard. You could tell the shell rock had been hauled in, the different color of the soil. So I've moved about 50 feet. Got a good target here. It's nice and soft here, so I'm going to keep working this, trust me. I'm getting a good, ooh. What is that? Huh, got no idea. Wonder if that was going on. Oh, something else in there. Oh, I thought I felt something. I did. Oh, see, like goldness or something here. Look at there, guys. Look at there. What is it? Ooh. Oh, it's got some fancy on it. I see right there, scroll. Oh, it's a cool. It's a camp gun. What's left of it? Oh, I hope the rest is there. I bet you that other piece I just found come right off of this. Well, that was down deep. All right, let's see what else we can find. Maybe there's more. Please, I hope the rest is there. I could put it back together. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. Look. Look how easy it falls apart. I mean, that piece just broke right off right there. That's half the barrel. That's it, guys. I dug all over the place. What I thought was a root, and I kept getting a signal, was actually this piece of metal. But this is all I could find. I looked everywhere. Nothing. But it's cool. Love it. Oh, I was getting a hit, hoping it, this little piece of iron. And then I see this bottle. I felt it crunch. I thought I broke it. I don't know if it was that or another piece of glass, but let's see. Oh, there's something else in there too. Maybe that's what I was hitting. That's probably what I heard break. I hope it ain't from that. What is that? It's another nail. All right, let's get this out. Coca-Cola. Is it broke? No, it could be an old one. Plant City. Oh, it goes back to the plant. That's a localized Coke bottle. Oh, that's probably collectible. Plant City. Nice. Oh boy, looks like another bottle. Now, I know it's exciting for some people, but you have got to have the patience to dig these bottles. Oh, it moved. Moved enough I could pull it. Yeah, baby. Yeah! What the heck is it? Half pint of something. Huh. Got some writing on it. Oh, I'll take it. We'll clean it up, figure it out. When you find a bottle that's embossed with federal law prohibits the sale, it's a good indication you got yourself a vintage bottle. That law come out in effect in 1935, where the bottles have to be marked that they are, or it's illegal to refill that bottle, to resell that. So you know you've got something pretty old. Also on the bottom, if you look up and see that D23 or whatever initial it's got, you can look that up and that will tell you the distillery as well. And on this particular bottle, it's Mountain Ridge Bourbon from 1939. Whew, you got to know when to stop, and it is time to stop. Last dig, I got this little bottle. I'll figure it out when I get home. There's more down there, a lot of glass, a lot of signals, but you know, after 3 hours, and it's 12:30, moving into the lunch hour, I'm ready to go. There's always another day, and I'll bring you back on that dig. Pretty decent hunt. I think the find of the day for me was that little toy gun. Even though it was broke, love it. It cleaned up really nice. Couple of cold bottles. I had a good time. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, think about subscribing. See you on the next dig.